If you are a new Lotus Esprit owner, woohoo, and you want to save money and time, then this channel is for you. Welcome to Letsee Garage, Lotus Esprit Turbo SC. Let's see. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself and tell you something about my channel. My name is Jukka and I live in Helsinki, Finland. This is my garage and this is my black and beautiful Lotus Esprit Turbo SC from 1989. If you are a new Lotus Esprit owner, woohoo, and you want to save money and time, then this channel is for you. And of course, if you like to watch a car repair videos on a style of DIY. I also want to help you to avoid any pitfalls and guide you with the repairs. My channel is all about this car and I will show you how you can repair your own Lotus Esprit. Some of the repairs are easy, like removal of the door panel, and some of them a bit harder, like engine removal. But I will do a video of all of my repairs and share them to you in the upcoming months. So once more, you're very welcome to Letsee Garage. If you like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. If you want me to make a video for something that puzzles you on repairing your own Lotus Esprit, please let me know and leave a comment below. And remember that anything is possible and you can have everything you want. Thanks for watching.
You can do everything.